Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a number list in EasyNotes very easily. Just open the app and go to one of your notes or create a new one. Then click into it and choose this icon here which has this 1, 2, 3. Click on it and here is our first item. Then if we go to the next line, it usually numbers that one as well. So you can write something here. But then if you are in this line and you click on this 1, 2, 3 icon again, then it will remove the number but only from this line. That's basically it. You can experiment with it and I hope it will be useful.